how to download and install the latest security update on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. After that, we go down and then tap on updates. Now in here, tap on security update. Then wait for the phone to check for a newer update. If there are new updates, you'll be offered to download and install them. Otherwise, it will show that your phone is up to date, and it will show the One UI version as well as Android version and the current your security update. And that's it. So my security patch level is up to the 1st of March 2025. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.